Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you own an Arrma Kraton like one of these, you might know that one of the more common problem areas is the front drive shaft popping out on hard landings. Today I want to show you a simple fix on how to prevent that. So today I'm doing this fix on an 8th scale Arrma Kraton 6S EXB. This can be done on really any 8th scale Kraton, especially ones that come with this red cap on the end of the arm. I happen to be doing this fix because I broke the arm here. You can see it's cracked, and I bent the pin in here, but I already had done the drive shaft fix on all of my Kratons, and since I've done this mod, none of the drive shafts have popped out. So I want to show you exactly what to do. So part of the problem is that because this red cap is on there, the hub is pushed out a little more, and when the arm goes up, it pulls the drive shaft out of this cup a little further. So on really hard landings, if it gets out so far, it will completely dislodge, and that's where you'll see your truck with it jammed in here or whatever. So the goal is to reduce the length of this so that on hard landings, you can see on this side here, I've already done it, so even on really hard landings it doesn't come all the way out. So what we want to do is shorten this arm, and that starts with taking off this red cap. Okay, so you just got to pry it out. Some of them come off really easy like that, some of them are quite hard. Now you can see on the old arm, which I had already done this fix on, it's also not just the red cap, but I've shortened the end. And so you can do that in a number of ways. Some people are fine with just taking off that metal piece, it shortens it enough. For me, it still was somewhat of a problem, so I ended up needing to take a little off the top on that. The way I do it is with one of these that has sandpaper on the end, and it makes it go a little easier. If you don't have one of these, another way to do it could be to take something like this and file it. That could take a little longer, but I have done it that way. Or maybe a sander or something that can apply enough friction to shave this off. So let's get started. Okay, there we go. So it took quite a bit of sanding, and I even used this a little bit to get kind of even it out a little. But eventually get it down far enough to where there's just a tiny little tab there. You wouldn't want to go too far, but I've found that this length works just perfectly. All right, now just need to put it back together. Put a little Loctite on any bolts that go into metal, like this bulkhead here. Okay, and there you have it, all put back together, and full compression, that thing is not coming out. I've made lots of videos like this and more to come. Always helps to give this video a like and a comment if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed already, definitely do so. So hope you guys got something out of this. Go ahead and try it yourself and let me know what you think. Some people have different ideas about how to do this, and I'd love to hear that as well. All right, thanks for watching. See you at the next video.